company name, so Interstate Tires, Inc. The second line is statement of stockholders' equity. And our last line, for year ended December 31st, 2013.
December 31st.
Okay, then our first line will be capital stock colon.
Skip one.
Nope. Our second line indented will be $1 per share. Then our next line indented January 1st. 100,000 shares issued. Okay, then our number for this line will go in the middle column, and it's 100,000 times $1. So that's pretty easy math. $100,000 in the middle column. Okay, our next line indented issued during current year. $10,000 shares. And both the 100,000 and the 10,000, they told me those numbers in the book. So then 10,000 times $1. This will go in the middle column also, so 10,000. And then do a single rule underneath that. Our next line indented balance, December 31st. $110,000 shares issued. And so we'll add our two numbers together. This goes in the third column, 110,000. Okay, then our next line is retained earnings, not indented, and it has a colon after it. And our next line indented is balance, January 1st. And then you need to look back on the worksheet and find retained earnings.
It's on the, yeah.
Yep. Okay, so this number goes in the middle column. It's $46,599.48. Then our next line indented net income after federal income tax. That's also on the worksheet. for dividends. Okay, so the first column, 8,800. Do a single rule underneath that. Our next line indented is net increase during 2013. And so we'll take the 62,000 minus the 8,000 number and get what?
58,107.
Not what my book has.
Last four over 57.
Okay. This is gonna go in the third column then. 54,000. Oh, sorry, I meant the second column, sorry. $54,107.35. Do a single rule underneath that. And our next line indented is going to be balance. December 31st. And then we'll add our 46,000 and our 54,000 number together. How does the calculator always run?
I got some of six. I don't know.
Okay. So third column this time. 100,706.83. Okay, then do a single rule underneath that number. And then our next line is not indented. And it's going to be total stockholders' equity. December 31st. And then we'll add our two bar numbers together. Yep, so in the far right column then, $210,706.83, and do a double rule underneath all three columns.
I wonder also.